The Assam police will produce five of the 7 accused in Subin Garg's death case before a court in Guwahati on Wednesday, officials said. All 7 were arrested following the death of the popular Assamese singer on September 19, 2025. He added that 2 witnesses were already present at the CID office and their statements were being recorded. He further stated that they are not seeking further remand. If future remand is required on new facts, they will ask for it. Assam police have tightened security arrangements outside the CID office in Guwahati. Those being produced before the court include Chayam Kanu Mahanta, Siddharth Sharma and others who were arrested by the SIT-CID in connection with the case.
Total 7 persons whose police custody has completed. So we are producing them before the court today.
Sir, this is NR from the Singapore.
Sorry, five. Sorry, 2 are still to be. Total 7 were arrested and 5 we are producing today. Yes.
And the remaining 2
Their custody will be over tomorrow, day after tomorrow. So we'll produce them day after tomorrow.
So does the NR from the NR Assamese from the Singapore also cooperate with this ongoing investigation? Today, sir, how many persons has been appeared before the?
Today already 2 are in CID. We are recording their statement, and 1 more is likely to come today. So that makes 10 of them NRIs have appeared before CID. Out of 11 whose names were found, 1 of them is a Singapore citizen, so his case is slightly different, but I am hopeful that he will also appear.
Sir, any response getting from the Singapore authority by the SIT-CID regarding this ongoing?
Yeah, yesterday we received a communication in which we have been asked to provide the names of the officers. That's a normal process who are proposed to visit Singapore for conducting investigation and what are our agenda. So we have replied to them immediately and we are waiting for their response.
If they give the permission, then the SIT and the CID team are ready to go?
Yes, we are ready to go. Yes, our team is ready to go.
So another case that the 19/2025 has been registered against the financial irregularity, something else against the Syamkana Mahanta. Sir,
that case is under investigation. I would only say that much at this moment.
Sir, any chances to get the remand the remaining 3, there's the Sandeepan Garg and the 2 PSOs by the SIT?
At this moment, we are not seeking further remand, but if future remand is required, if new facts emerge, we will ask for further remand.